My name is Ray Regan. I'm the director of the NittanyBots Camp. This is the 11th year that we've had camp. So I was very interested in helping kids understand robotics. I was doing it through after school programs and my own summer camps and Science U. And I just fit together really well with what I wanted to do and what they were trying to do as well. Well, the purpose of NittanyBots is for kids to realize that there's a connection between coding and mechanical movements, so that when they enter a line of code, that it relates to a specific movement of the robot. So for example, with the race cars, we wanted the car to drive forward, turn around 180 degrees, and drive us back to the finish line. So that what they see the connection between, okay, to make the car go forward, I need one command. To make it turn, I need a second command. To make it come back, I need a third command. And I think that's really important for them to see the connection between the two. I think the most important skill that kids learn from this is that if something doesn't work, there's a reason and they can figure it out. A lot of kids come into the camp saying, oh, it didn't work. And I sit with them and I say, okay, let's figure out why it doesn't work. And then figure out what to do to make it work. And that's something they could take home with them and apply to everything else, every other toy and every other gadget that they have that they find it doesn't work. Well, everything we do in this camp involves working with a teammate. And sometimes they've chosen that teammate, but more often we've selected the teammate for them, and they have to get to know each other, and often you very quickly see them learning what they do best, what their teammate does best, and they work and complement each other with, I feel comfortable doing the coding, you feel comfortable doing the building, so let's do that. It's just a lot of fun to see these kids testing things out over and over again. When you give them a clear set of goals, they will work and work and work until they achieve those goals, and that's fun to see, because I don't always get to see that in the classroom, at the high school level. Sometimes kids are just trying to get things done. Well, these kids are trying to get these done so that it works and they can compete, and it's a really great camp for these kids to learn that process of getting things right and doing the best they can.